Hey everybody on YouTube, I wanted to make a quick video. I'm here in the front of our Escape and we are about to go on a fairly lengthy camp trip, and we wanted to have some AC. The AC in the Escape hasn't worked for a while. Now, I watched a bunch of videos on YouTube on how to recharge an AC using this nice little hose adapter thing, and I keep seeing the pressure drop and then spike and then drop and then spike, and I couldn't find a very good explanation. And what was concerning me is it seems like the pressure's getting fairly high up there. So it took a fair bit of research, but I think the solution and the answer to my question is that you're only supposed to take the reading when the compressor is engaged. So the compressor keeps turning off, and that's when the pressure goes up, because it's allowing pressure from the high side of the air conditioning system to go back into the low side, and the pressure's equaling out as if the car was turned off. And when the compressor engages, that's when the pressure drops. So the answer is, if your AC is very low on Freon here, then you may have this problem where you see spikes and drops, and the answer is properly charge the system, and you shouldn't have that problem. The compressor will eventually turn on and stay on, and that's where you get an accurate reading. Right now you can see I am still very low, so I'm gonna cut the video here, and we'll come back here in a moment once I've got enough refrigerant in the system, and we'll see if it fixes it. Be back in a sec. All right, folks, we're back. As you can see, when I press the thing down, the needle drops, let loose. Now the compressor is staying on, and you can see we're not having those needle fluctuations anymore. It's staying straight in the green. Now that started happening right as the lowest point stayed above the 25 mark there. You can see on the gauge, and once I got into the green consistently, the compressor stayed on, and that's when I started getting consistent readings. Now it's about 72, 73 out here right now. We are just into the minimum area for the full section. I'm about to have to change out another can, so I'm gonna cut it here. But as you can see, the issue with the needle dropping and coming back up and dropping, it was related to not having enough charge. So this has been Mr. Puttyhead. Give me a like if you like this video, show me some love, and excuse me, let me know if you have any questions in the comments.